something closed, limiting my freedom, trying to become someone I thought others wanted me to be. Somewhere in the middle of the run, I lost myself, working hard for years, building someone while slowly dimming my own light. A bird flies without imitating. A bird flies without trying to be. The highest point reached is when you are the lightest. A bird flies without imitating. A bird flies without trying to be. The highest point reached is when you are the lightest. It is easy to get carried away by the harshness of expectations. I was chasing their shape and calling it mine, till my own name got quiet. But light shines brighter when you remember to look up. I can breathe again, I can come back, I can let the weight fall off. A bird flies without imitating. A bird flies without trying to be. The highest point reached is when you are the lightest. A bird flies without imitating. A bird flies without trying to be. The highest point reached is when you are the lightest. No more borrowed skin, no more held back wings. I was never made to disappear. I was made to rise. A bird flies without imitating. A bird flies without trying to be. The highest point reached is when you